Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to process purchases in Zoho Inventory. This is essential for managing your stock levels accurately and ensuring your inventory records stay up to date as items arrive from suppliers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. This will take you directly to the Zoho Inventory login page. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct details to access your inventory management dashboard. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and click on Purchases. This will expand a submenu with various purchase-related options. From that submenu, select Purchase Orders. This section is where all your pending and completed purchase orders are stored, giving you a clear overview of what needs to be processed. On the Purchase Orders page, you'll see a list of all your orders. Click on the specific purchase order you want to manage. This will open up that particular order so you can review its details and proceed with processing the received items. Once you've opened the purchase order, you'll be directed to the Purchase Order Overview page. At the top of this page, look for a menu option labeled Received. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Purchase Receive page. This is where you'll confirm the items that have physically arrived at your location. The Purchase Receive page will be pre-filled based on the details from your original purchase order. Take a moment to review each field carefully and check if everything matches what you've actually received. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate inventory records. Next, enter the Purchase Receive number and the received date. These details help you track when items arrived and create a proper audit trail for your inventory movements. Make sure the date reflects when you actually received the shipment. Now, specify the quantity of each item you're receiving. Compare the ordered quantity with the quantity you're actually receiving to ensure they match. If there are any discrepancies, adjust the numbers accordingly. This verification prevents inventory mismatches down the line. Once you've finished reviewing all the details and confirmed the quantities, you have two options. You can either save it as draft if you need to come back and make changes later, or save as received if everything is correct and you're ready to finalize the transaction. Choose the option that best fits your workflow, and that's it. You've successfully processed a purchase in Zoho Inventory, ensuring your stock levels are accurately updated and your records remain consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.